guys, so today is my wash day. As you can see, I'm conditioning my hair and I have a lot of conditioner in it. So I did wash day and the styling on different days, but I just wanted to tell you guys that you should give your hair enough conditioner, because that way you can prevent breakage, because the hair is very moist and feeling nice in your hands and all that. So I went ahead to stretch it by putting it in a puff, and then when it was dry enough, I used my curling wand and a little bit of conditioner and olive oil spray, and I went ahead to style the hair, as you're going to see ahead. So the first step, after taking it out of the puff, I went ahead to make a line, cut a line in my hair. And some of you may notice a little color in my hair. That's because last year in August, I attempted to color my hair myself and it was an epic fail. Hopefully when I try it next time, I'll be better at it. So I went ahead to part my hair. So I parted my hair into small portions. The procedure for using this curling wand is very easy and convenient. However, it takes time. But you just get small portions of your hair, put them in the curling wand, and then you wait out. It has a timer and it tells you when it's time to take the hair out, and then the hair comes out looking curly and nice. However, if you have a full head of hair, especially if it's natural, it's going to take you some time, and I got to warn you about that. But however, it has minimum heat, which I found a very good advantage, because when you have natural hair, especially 4C hair, you don't want your hair getting damaged by heat. So I'm going to put a link in the description to where you can get this curling wand on Amazon. I personally purchased it while I was traveling, so I'm going to look for it and put a link in the description. And finally, I get to finish doing my whole hair. I think this was after like 3 hours. So yeah, if you have a good 3 hours to yourself, you can try and do this. However, I love the outcome. It was so voluptuous and it was so bouncy, and it just felt so nice in my hair. As you can see, after this, I went for a walk, and your girl was definitely feeling herself. I mean, I don't know if I'm more proud that I am the one who actually did this, because we're saying you go to the salon and they do this and you're thinking, wow, but I actually did this myself, guys. So I just felt so lovely. And new hair, who this? And now time for the face bit. So I did a simple sort of like natural look, and I have had malaria recently, so that's the little bump you see at the corner of my mouth. But I did this with nude lipstick, and that's the concealer I use. I use Pro Concealer. I just use it to contour a little bit. I'm not a very big fan of contour, but you need a little bit of cheekbones every now and then. For the eyeshadow, I used a palette that I picked up at a makeup store in Kampala. And then I love this eyeshadow because it's oily and sticks to the eyelids very nicely, doesn't fleck off into your face. And I went with a golden brown and a little bit of pink just to give us a little bit of spice, but this is an ideally natural bit. So guys, in the comment section, is it only me who can't stop making faces while doing the makeup? Because when I'm doing my mascara, I find myself making faces all the time. So just go to the comment section and let's talk about this. Do you make faces while doing your makeup? So for my lips, I'm going to apply a Wet n Wild called Liquid Catsuit, a metallic lipstick. The name is Satin Shits, and then I'll follow it up with a Hi-Fi Shine Matte Long Lasting Lip Gloss. And there we have our final look, but first, some bronzer and highlighter. There, that's better. Thank you very much for watching my video. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I love you. Goodbye.